Hello and welcome to a video about how to make glass objects using Blender. Now specifically I'm using Blender 4.2.1 right now, and that's important because there was a big change from Blender 4.1 to Blender 4.2, and that is a name change. The name that you are looking for is going to be in your render tab, and it's ray tracing. It used to be screen space refraction. Either way, you have to have that turned on for glass to work properly using the Eevee render engine. If you don't, then it's not going to work right. Then you want to come down to your materials, and you can simply use the glass BSDF. It works well. As long as you change your roughness, by default it's 0.5, which is just solid. You need to change your roughness to something less than that so you can start to see through your glass, and you have to come down into settings, still in the materials tab, and look under surface and make sure ray traced transmission is turned on. Because if you turn that off, now your glass is basically a mirror. It just reflects the environment, but it doesn't let any light pass through it so that you can see things that are in it or behind it. So make sure ray traced transmission is on and your roughness is something less than 0.5 and you're using glass BSDF with ray tracing turned on in your render engine. And that's it. You've got some glass, and you can then customize the look and feel from there. Enjoy.